Hello there. You know, when it comes to total miles driven, Disney buses might be the king. Did you know the average Disney bus at Walt Disney World resorts travel over 1 million miles before being retired and not used again? Some other fun facts is many people think Rock and Roller Coaster is the fastest ride in Walt Disney World Resort. It is not. It is actually test track at 64.9 or 65 miles per hour. And finally, our party hat Magic Band Buddy with ears is customizable, and you can engrave your name or birthday on the back side. Anyways, let's get started with how to learn about the Magic Band Buddy notch connection. First thing you want to do is set your Magic Band Buddies aside. You will use these again later. Next, go ahead and grab your Magic Band wristbands that you received from Walt Disney World. Unfold the wristband, and you will see two screws. You only need to remove one of these screws to be able to pop the puck out from the center. Once that puck is out, you'll put in your desired Magic Band Buddy, and you'll be ready to go. Anyways, let's get started. Once you have the screw removed, set it aside, pop the puck out from the front, and set the rest of the wristband aside. Go ahead and do this for the rest of your Magic Band wristbands. Remember, when you're removing the screws from your Magic Band wristbands, to be careful and not strip the screw. That will make it much harder to remove the puck. However, if you do strip a screw, no worries, there's always that second screw that you can go for, because you only have to remove one. Once you have all the pucks removed, you can go ahead and bring the Magic Band Buddies back. The connection I will be talking about today is the Magic Band Buddy notch connection. This connection is an open notch that has a small little rectangular notch right there and a small rectangular bump right there. Sorry if it is hard to see. Anyways, what you want to do is take the puck that you desire to put into this Magic Band Buddy, put it into the oval, and then line up those notches, and then just bring it down until it fits nice and snug like that. The holes should also line up between the front and back. Take the binding ring and thread it back through the hole and connect it. You can now put this on anything you desire to wear, belt, backpack, whatever. Go ahead and do this for any other Magic Band Buddies you have of this notch style connection. I'm using the Rock and Roller Coaster stretch limo as my example, as well as the Disney bus and the party hat. Again, line up those notches. Once the notches are lined up, so should the hole. Put the binding ring back through the hole and connect it. Now attach anything you desire, and repeat these steps until you have done all the notch style Magic Band Buddies. If you have other Magic Band Buddies, check out our other videos. Put the binding ring back through, and look at that, you're good to go. Now you are all ready for a fun day in the parks. Thank you for watching, and have a magical day.